Hi guys, and welcome to another video of Minimal Nerd. Today we're going to be seeing different apps that you can run on macOS after you Hackintosh. So I've been getting this question a lot, especially on Reddit. People ask, are all the Mac apps working after you Hackintosh? Because there is some concern with the AMD CPUs that, for example, Adobe software doesn't work. But we have an Intel CPU here, the Core i9 9900K. So everything works fine, but people still want to see that in the video. So we're gonna do a simple run of the apps. We're gonna run them, we're gonna close them down, and then we're gonna try the Adobe apps, Illustrator, Photoshop, and After Effects. Okay, let's get to it. Okay, now we're gonna start with the Launchpad. As you can see, everything is working fine. The animations are smooth, no problem here. Now we're going to go to Finder. As you can see, application, we have desktop, documents, downloads. And as you would expect, this would work like any Mac you have. So no problems here. Then we're going to go to Safari. Let's try Apple website. So the rendering of the website is it's fine, no worries here. Some people did report some problems with Safari on different Hackintosh, but at least on this one it's working fine. Then we're gonna try Mail. It takes a while because I didn't open it since never, I guess. Then we have FaceTime. I don't use FaceTime that much. Then we have messages. So this is my account in Vietnam. I can see all the messages that I receive from my iPhone here. It's synced with iCloud. Now let's try Maps. So here, the Maps app is working fine. Let's type in my location, which is Ho Chi Minh City in Vietnam. Here we go. Zoom in, zoom out. Okay, working fine. Like I said, we're just trying to run the apps. We're not really doing a stress test. So here's my photo album. It's synced with my iPhone, so whatever I see on my iPhone, I can see here. And it's synced with iCloud, so no issues here. Some people did have problem with iCloud syncing. But on this, hardware or on this configuration, everything is working fine. That's the thing about Hackintosh, and you have to really test all the software after you do it to check if everything is working fine. And next we're going to go to calendar. So calendar, I have here my calendar. Then next we're going to go to reminder. So reminder is also synced with iPhone or iPad. The notes, so this is the note that I made for the script of the first video, the Hackintosh video. And I can easily like edit here on my iPhone and then see it on my iPad and then see it on the Mac or the Hackintosh. So it's all synced. So iCloud is working fine. Next is music. I don't use music. I have Spotify, but it's working if you have it. Podcast as well as TV app, they're all working fine, no problems here. And now we're going to check the App Store. It's working fine. You can download any apps you want. You can pay for them if they are not free. The prices are in Vietnamese dong, and I have 2 updates. Next, we're going to check Spotify. So it's working fine as you would expect.
It's like, hey.
Yeah. That was an episode from The Full Nerd. I'm a fan of that show from PC World. Some music here. I have Affinity software. Maybe we can do another video about those, same as with Adobe stuff. And that's it for the apps on Mac.